Shalom, dear friends. I would like to show you a quick rundown how to prepare the Shabbat table for the Kiddush on Friday night and on Saturday. You can use a grape juice like this or any kind of wine, and you do the Kiddush standing up on Friday night. After you do the Kiddush, you sit down and you drink the wine. Drink the wine, okay, and then you go to wash your hands in the sink for the hamotzi. You come to the table and you do the hamotzi. You can use either rolls like this, or you can use pita bread like this here, or any kind of rolls or bread that has to be complete. The best thing is to have challah that you bake, but if you don't have, that's okay. Then you do the hamotzi and you start to eat. If you want to add any kind of blessing to the meal, you can use, for instance, parved chocolate, okay, not dairy of course, any kind of fruits that don't belong to the meal. This is pineapple, can be apples, can anything, any kind of fruit salad, and you say the blessing that belongs to that item that you eat, and then you add more blessing to the meal. Then before you do the Birkat Hamazon, you can use this beautiful dish to suit Mayim Achronim Chova. You pour just a little bit on each hand, like this, and dry your hand, and you say the blessing. Before you say the blessing of Birkat Hamazon, of course you have to sing song for Shabbat. This is the best time to sing song. Before the songs, it's very important to say Dvar Torah around the table. So everybody can say something, 1 minute Dvar Torah, 2 minutes, doesn't matter, but you have to say Dvar Torah is very important. And this way you'll be happy, enjoy, and say Birkat Hamazon, and Shabbat Shalom, all the best.